In this video, I'll explain what are the objectives for ILX 2 and how to interact with the different community leaders. If you use the wrist menu, you'll see the objective for this experience and how to finish it. In this experience, you'll have to get introductions from all the different community leaders and then ask them questions. In order to get 100% completion, you have to get introduction and get all the answers from all the community leaders. In order to interact with one of the community leaders, you can point your controller at the community leader and then press the trigger button.
Thank you for stopping by today. I look forward to sharing information about the great town that we live in. I am pleased to report that employment is at an all-time high. But we also have our eye on the future. We are looking at incentivized partnerships with businesses and educational institutions to provide on-the-job training in critical service areas that are short-staffed. As additional opportunities for employment are created, I believe our town will serve as a model for others to follow. The town council is also creating innovative housing options related to homelessness and working to ensure we have affordable housing for our citizens. I lost my hand when I was in the service, so I understand the difficulties that people face with disabilities. We now offer services to help our older citizens learn about entitlements and healthcare benefits. Our senior center is always a hub of activity where many seniors participate in a variety of activities. We are fortunate that we have a dedicated staff to work with this population.
Okay, so we just heard the introduction from this community leader, and as you've seen, we have this panel on the left where we can see everything that he said. So next, I can ask him a question. Same thing, I can point to it and then press the trigger button.
Yes, it has increased by 2%.
So as you can see here, this was my question, and then the mayor answered that question. You have to do this, you have to continue interacting with the community leader to get all of their answers, and then you can move to the next location. So we have 4 more locations to then interact with the other community leaders. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to move to the health department. Again, exactly like the previous location, I can point to the character and press the trigger button to interact with it. Once you've finished everything, then you can hit the finish experience button and submit your attempt.